Now we quickly look at the multinomial regression. This is the difference here is the response wave, right? What kind of values that can take. So we looked at binary choices where the previous data set I had only two choices, whether I make a positive valuation or I make a negative valuation, which is 1 or 0. 1 for positive and 0 for negative respectively. In multinomial case, I have to choose between one or more decision choices. So it could be a rating as acceptable, good, unacceptable, or very good. So it depends on the layers, or depends on the categories that that I need to take into account. My decisions would not be just binary, but they could represent various flavors of my perception. So how do we model for that? And the technique for modeling such varieties and the decisions is done through multinomial logistic regression. So we'll quickly look at how to do that. So again, we'll have to read the file and name it. So we'll quickly complete that. And once we do that, we will invoke a function of, so before we invoke the function, one important thing to understand is we have to make these decisions in relative contrast. So when it was binary, it was clear, it is 1 or 0. So everything is relative to my default decision, and default decision could be either select or a non-selection. In multinomial choice, it is not that straightforward. It is basically, I have to understand what is my basic or the ground level of decision choice. So am I going to start with unacceptable, or am I going to start with accepting a given choice, in this case car? So I have to start with one specific value, and that value have to be told to the model in advance. And that can be done through a re-level command, where I'm reorganizing my data set, where I'm taking the reference as unacceptable, and I'm reorganizing the data set based on this particular factor value of the decision choice that I would eventually make. And so the model would learn in a specific order, starting with the base choice as unacceptable, and all other evaluations would be in relative contrast to this base decision or the base decision choice. And then we could do a multinorm on this, and you can see that the value, the algorithm eventually converges. This internally uses neural networks, and then I can look at how the probabilities are organized. So I'll do a quick summary of this. So you can see that the old decision is listed under the column name decision, and then I have 4 different choices. Instead of a binary choice, a stark binary choice, I have 4 different choices. And in this case, you can see that for unacceptable, the model has learned that the probability, which typically is between 0 and 1, is indicating a value of 1. That means the model has agreed with the decision choice that was made. And similarly, you can see that wherever the past decision was unacceptable, the value of the likelihood, the estimated likelihood from the logistic model, is also close to 1.